Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jody, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 healthy recipes to make using oats that are not regular cooked oatmeal. Plus, I'm going to be sharing with you a hack on how to make delicious, low-calorie and low-fat granola bars. Now, if you're someone like me who doesn't really enjoy eating plain cooked oatmeal for breakfast, or maybe you just want to mix up your breakfast a little bit and take advantage of all the health benefits of oats as well as their cheap price, then this video is for you. As always, you can find all of my recipes down in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started with an oil-free cinnamon brown sugar granola. Okay, so here's everything you're gonna need for the brown sugar cinnamon granola. So I've got my oats here. These are just old-fashioned oats. And then for my seeds, I have sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and then these are ground flax seeds. And then for sweetener, I'm just doing applesauce, brown sugar, and you could do any sort of liquid sweetener as well, maple syrup, agave, honey, and then cinnamon. And we are just going to throw that all in a bowl together. As I said in the beginning, I'm not a huge fan of regular cooked oatmeal, so I'm always trying to find unique ways of eating oats. Leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite way to eat oatmeal? Okay, so for this recipe, another oat recipe, we are going to be making granola bars, and obviously we need our oats. And then for my sweetener, I'm going to be doing half applesauce, half maple syrup, adding a little bit of vanilla. And then what's going to put it all together is peanut butter, and I will show you a hack for that as well. And then ground flaxseed, you could also do hemp seed, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, whatever you have. And then cinnamon and salt. Add-ins for this that are really good, obviously chocolate chips, and then I'm going to be doing some raisins for my kids. These are no-bake granola bars, which are perfect for summer, especially if you live somewhere warm and you don't want to have to heat up your house to cook something for breakfast. You just pop these in the fridge for about an hour, and then you can go ahead and cut them and store them in the fridge for up to a week. I'm sure you could also freeze them, however, they've never made it that long in my house, so I don't know that for sure, but I'm sure they would freeze just fine. Okay, so the granola bars that I just showed are actually for my kids, and I just wanted to show you this little hack that I use to make the granola bars for myself a little bit healthier, less calories, and less fat. So the peanut butter that I use is this Kirkland brand for the other one, and 2 tablespoons is 180 calories, 15 grams of fat. And if you saw, we used a cup of this, so that is a lot of fat. Obviously depends on what serving you use, but compare that to this. This is the PB2 brand. I just got this at Walmart, and it even says right here 90% less fat. And if you look at the 2 tablespoon dose for this, 60 calories and 1.5 grams of fat. So what I do is just reconstitute this, and it actually has the directions right here. So you're just reconstituting it with water, and you can just mix it up. And so I actually just put mine in my blender just to make it really smooth, and then I use the same recipe, but I know that I'm getting a lot less fat. So there is my reconstituted peanut butter, and I will just use that to make a smaller little recipe of the granola bars for myself. Okay, so this next recipe is going to be making some pancakes using oats and grinding the oats into an oat flour. Now I have a Vitamix that it has a dry container. However, I have made this in the past in a Magic Bullet as well as in a NutriBullet, and that works fine. If you have a food processor or something like that, you could use that as well. This pancake recipe is just based off of my regular banana pancake recipe, which I will link somewhere above. And then I just use oat flour. Okay, so here are the oat pancakes. They are a little bit thinner than if I had made them with flour, but they are really, really delicious. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so and hit that little notification bell down below so that you won't miss my next video, which is going to be sharing with you our Costco haul for our family of 4 for the month of July, as well as our entire monthly meal plan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.